6. I'm impressed.
I get the feeling that Caroline didn't need to impress anybody.
You just call me Caroline.
Did I? I feel like I'm starting to know. Computer password.
Thank you.
You can see she was a remarkable woman.
How well did you know her?
Casually. We had the Olympics in common. I shot ski for the U.S.
King of the snoring.